Eggmas, day 18. There we go. Huevos Divorciados. It's Eggmas day 18, and I'm finally doing Huevos Rancheros. Kind of. I'm gonna do a take on it. I'm gonna do Huevos Divorciados, which is basically, it's the same dish, but it has two different salsas. Divorciados, which I think means divorced. My Spanish is very bad, sorry. But it's two different salsas, half and half. We've got salsa verde, salsa rojo. I'm gonna make a molcajete style salsa for the rojo. This right here is a dried chile pasilla, which is basically just a chile poblano that's been dried. They have a lot of seeds. You want to take these out. Chile guajillo. This is a dried Anaheim pepper. Same thing. Take all the seeds out of that. Now I'm placing these below the tomatoes so they don't burn in the oven. Some cumin. And then why not? I'll just put a little bit of cayenne over everything. Set that aside. Tomatillo. Garlic. Salsa verde. And then rojo. So these are gonna be the stars of our egg dish. I like it to be nice and dark like this, even darker than this, honestly. Just take it far. 500-degree oven, let it go hard. That's what she said. Now, you can use this, what's called a molcajete, or a mortar and pestle. If you don't have that, you can use one of these. But this is the OG way to do it, so. Now, something I like to do is thin it out with a little bit of stock. So I've got some turkey stock here, and this adds a little flavor as well. If you're vegetarian, obviously don't do this. So there is our salsa rojo, and then there's the verde. Dude, that video is so funny. Bring it out here. I want to show it to you guys. Gotta see this video he just showed me.
Bring it on!
We're doing an egg video. Wow, these are really separated. It's almost like that dude from Ice Age. Sid, right? Sid? It's like that. A little over easy. There we go. Huevos divorciados. Nice. So when I would have this as a kid, I would usually just mix it all up and put it in a flour tortilla. We got corn tortilla today. That's a good bite. That is solid. Here, try that out, dude. Delicious. Smash like, subscribe.